வெல்கம் டு நிம்மிஸ் கிச்சன். இன்றைக்கி பிரெட் சாண்ட்விச் எப்படி செய்கிறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். டுடே என்னோடய டாட்டர்ல ஸ்ருதி செய்ய போகிறாப்புல. இப்போ பேன் வச்சுருக்கோம், கொஞ்சம் ஆயில் ஊற்றிருக்கோம். ஒரு பெரிய ஆனியன் நல்லா ஃபைன்லி சாப் பண்ணி இப்போ ஆயிலில் நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம். Finely chopped onions, 1. As much as possible we must chop it. நல்லா ஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கங்க. அதை நமக்கு ஆனியன்ஸ், chilies, a little bit of coriander chopped finely, a little bit of spices, garam masala powder, a pinch of chili powder, salt to taste, and mashed potatoes. We can also add carrot, finely chopped carrots or any other vegetables to our taste. So all this must be finely stirred in the oil, fried together. Fry until the onion turns to this color. Now add the cut chili pieces, a pinch of chili powder, a pinch of garam masala. Stir well till it loses its raw flavor. Add salt to taste. Stir well. Now add the mashed potatoes to it. Stir them well. This is a stuffing which we are preparing to stuff it in between the bread slices, and then we are going to toast it. Add little chopped coriander leaves. Stir it well. Mix them well. Mix it nicely. Just see that everything mixes well, uniformly. So the stuff is getting ready. The stuffing is getting ready. So the stuffing is ready now. We'll transfer it into a bowl, and then we'll place it in between the bread slices and toast it. I'll just show you next how it is. Stuffing is ready. Now let's put the stuffing in between the bread pieces. Before that, we need to apply some butter on the bread. Bring the butter to the room temperature. We have applied little butter on one side of the bread, and let's turn the bread and put the stuffing. Spread it nicely. Place the other slice over it. And now let's toast it on a pan. Heat the pan. Add some butter to it. Now place the bread on it. Now let's flip the bread to the other side. Looks awesome. Let's toast it nicely. The stuffing inside can be put according to your taste. And if you're doing it for a child, you can cut the edges of the bread also. It's easy for them to have. Flip it over sides till it gets toasted well. Then cut it into 2 halves to eat it deliciously. The toast is ready. Bread sandwich with mashed potatoes. It's ready to eat. This is how we cut it into 2 pieces. You can continue the same with as many bread pieces as required. Serve it hot. Bread sandwich from Nimmi's kitchen. It's a healthy recipe and easy to make also. Okay, right. Thank you.